easel.
All right, cool. So in this module, we're basically going to upgrade your thinking about job hunting and how the labor market works generally with 2 examples. So at the end of this module, you should see more clearly how this whole system works. And you're going to see why preparing on the front end is going to save you time, get you access to more opportunities, more money, and ultimately give the power back to you. So let's take case 1. So in this case, John has recently graduated from college. He's feeling really good about his degree, as a lot of people do. And he goes out, quickly prepares a resume, maybe a cover letter, and submits 50 applications. So he's feeling good, waiting for them to get back with a response, and he finds out that he has a 0% success rate. So at the beginning of this story, John was starting off feeling like Superman. At the end of it, he's feeling more like a worm. So now let's take the second story of Mark. Now in this case, Mark goes to use a resource like Easel to prepare his messaging, his resume, his cover letter, his LinkedIn. He started to network, and he knows that the job search is going to take him a little while. So right from the outset, he's prepared, he's got all of his assets ready, and he deploys them out to the same 50 applications that John had made in the first example. The difference is that in the case of Mark, because he was well prepared, he's networking, he's using tools like Job Search CRM, instead of getting a 0% success rate, he's got more like a 15% success rate on those applications converting into interviews. So as he goes on and he takes those interviews, let's say that 2 or 3 of them convert into job opportunities. So now Mark has choice. And even though it might have taken him 3 months to get through all those interviews, he now has 3 job opportunities where John is back at square one.